One more message for all the kids out there and for all the people that feel like give up sometimes. Don't make no sense giving up. When it gets harder, that's when it's gonna happen bigger. Don't waste your time with thoughts of giving up. It's all in your mind. No, let it go, let it go. I'm here to remind you that everything's possible.
Well, me don't know what them a pre about. A Kino, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Train the Ackee, we don't want the Ackee get wet. So you see why we don't want it get wet? We just train it. You see it, so nothing not get wet. You see that? Look, nothing not get wet. All water gone. Yeah. Go on. Going on,
Fire not cool though.
Fire good, man. You don't hear it?
Yeah.
Eh?
Smell me at top.
I smell, you see the steam? You can see it on the camera.
My working much.
Skill me I use and a magic. The skill look
Your
great.
name Steam Cabbage, so right now we are seeing the steam.
And a fire deal with cabbage, you know. Easy no man. You don't know what I go on, man. Me have to turn if you get in the rest, man. Easy yourself, man. I want to no, man, we don't throw water in a cabbage.
No, just bring it to one water.
You go on, look what I go on and see brata, yeah. This side brata, look. You see brata?
Yeah.
Alright, brata could hold in pot. So we have to wait. You see it? All in one, you know. Everything gone in, you know. Sweet, smooth. Everything gone in. Brata and everything. Nothing now waste, nothing now dash way. See that? Could hold in a pot. So everything hold, you know.
Everything hold.
So we deal with pot.
And then Ackee next after that.
Yeah. You know what style. You know what style.
Chicken can't bad like this, yo. Chicken and oxtail and steak and mutton can't bad like this. No day. Some conga rice and peas. Some tripe and bean and that Russian wine or something.
Yeah, you never eat that Russian. I think that's next like. So you know me I forget the salt. I don't know, you know.
You can come.
No, you have to wait till you get.
Yeah, I can simmer down.
Simmer down liquor. What me do? Man, they cook with love over there, say my pass for the street to go and borrow.
Who that? Roger! Come here, Roger! Roger!
Come here, man.
Roger! Yo, cause all them there cook with like, you know, now you're the original cook with love.
I love your cook with a light, me I cook with.
Come in, Roger. The fans them want to hear you.
Roger, I need to see you.
What you pushing?
I know fans who are boys, I guess me go look in.
Look at gas. Catch her. Look at gas.
You go look at gas. Something about thing from my grandfather, you know. Time say me go look at gas for him, you know.
Yeah.
I'm still there.
Still there.
You see me?
Now they are cooking special. Dumpling.
Enough.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, don't know me forward, you know.
Yeah, man. You know that the dumpling done already, you know, so the cabbage has steam, so you know, sir.
Alright.
Call it done.
When I pick up on the cell phone, I told this all this crisis done here, you know, God.
Yeah.
Done here, so, you know.
Which is
I
right.
stop your son here.
Alright then.
Pick up on the cell, my fan.
But you're so forward back, though.
Yeah, man.
Alright then. Roger. Score.
Chill love, we on.
Oh, but on a chin. Oh, pardon on a play.
No, sir.
Cut short.
Cut short. So who a lead?
I'm a lead man. General,
The Korea 63 of them.
not again, boy. Not again.
Set up now ready?
One night and like go at the same time.
History. History.
See up already.
Accept the man there go up.
Yeah. That's a Korea go on.
Tournaments there.
Yeah.
Yo,
Ah,
Probably get something there.
same dog get saved by the bell, my friend. I swear.
Saved by the light, man. By the bell.
I say what we get, brother.
Saved by the light.
Nah, take one more again, daddy.
Pass all.
Yeah, man.
So how they come like a Korea beat the thing on us, man? Oh, Russia.
Eat some food and can change it.
A Jim Carrey brother, you know.
I'm a teach Jim Carrey.
Oh,
I will still dream.
oh.
I have a dream about money with teeth you tell dream. Never watch the Grinch.
Yeah, the green. Original, you have talent, you know. You're born for this, you know.
Oh, they had a good life.
Oh, this is a Ackee show, you know. You see me I say?
True.
Russian.
No man, one name it. Good life, same way. You see it?
Yeah. You know,
Now,
yeah.
from the violence stand out, now I'm paying them no food.
But if you unite, there can't be no violence, because be a lot of people that are going to laugh.
I'm like what you see.
You see me I say? So it's like a tough for that.
In Jamaica, we have a new comedy center.
Oh,
And can't beat with, you see.
straight.
We just now release the stand-up comedy thing.
Well, did it?
The thing of a play on screen. Why don't you?
I mean, theater.
3D. Our talk of things are 3D. But them things keep moving forward. You see it on a different level. You
Sure.
see it. Yeah man. Alright now on a big man level still, you know, a good life, you know, but what we really want to understand, why this corona have a big effect on all of it?
But I don't know, you know.
Okay then.
That's the same thing.
See me now, when I take a sip of the rum, I don't even remember so them thing they about, you know. So when I had nothing for drink and nothing for smoke, I believe there's a virus.
Oh,
Cause I have the weed and the rum, I think that is the cure.
oh.
I don't need them vaccine. I don't need to evacuate.
Oh.
Okay.
You see that? That's what it mean.
Red man 30 play per morning or 36?
No, mama.
Get play?
No, 16. And a bag of number.
I don't know.
And I catch none of them, Russian.
Why talk to say still, but more time we are winner. If we are alive, we are winner.
Oh.
See it?
I forgive
We are
thanks.
win, man. Never lose.
Still a win.
True.
We still a win.
Setting a Kino.
Good
So
life.
a good thing, you know.
Yeah,
say,
do the right thing.
one time we go buy show back. One time I say I'm a dog alone, man. It just smell good. Now. See when they lock it up and then you put in the butter now, you know, man.
Ah, then in the kitchen, man at him craft.
The Ackee night, right? Come like Ackee night. Yeah, look like Ackee night.
Should have called
We
her.
don't want the Ackee mash up, man.
You know. Me the big baller, alright. See them man there now. I'm going to start cooking now, cause them boots tear.
Yeah.
Put up ball game, jersey tear. See all of them youths when say I play domino have a career, you know. But sometimes man, them have to just put it down. You have musician, and you have footballer,
Yeah, footballer.
and you have an ex-soldier,
Yeah.
or ex-police. Mama pay. I have boy I deal with it, man.
You see it there? Ah, then mummy a smell your part.
I bring this Titanic in an iceberg.
You know, next time the pot cover and lift up Ackee
Ackee going.
When Ackee going there, you know, say, anytime that lift up a done it done.
Done.
Black pepper there.
When I use powder season, you say, ground provide.
Ground provide. I use it in a Russian. I use the ground provide.
Provide.
Black pepper, right?
Me say no powder.
No
Black pepper
powder.
good for Ackee, man. Car.
Me say no powder.
No, do still, man.
Ground provide.
Yeah.
Next 5 minutes.
So when you are cooking no Russian, like when them say you cook the corned beef and white rice the last time. Yeah, you know, next time you match up something
When I
different.
cook corned beef, it tastes like lasagna.
Yeah. Yeah, so man of stir sand. Hey, Russian have a sample laugh. With them laugh, you really have to laugh, Stan.
Spring roll.
A beer water they put up on that one.
Yes,
You get beer sour. Everything melly.
tastes like the ocean, you know?
One time.
One go.
Yeah, get one.
Well, Russian have a real sample laugh. We ain't get a laugh.
So I'm putting Ackee now. You see the rest of the pepper you are going there.
Yeah,
So
going there.
you can see pepper.
Still in a bro,
The pepper have to get there at it flavor.
Yeah, I know say you never feel the salt, just pepper alone.
No, but it's still like a fresh.
You don't prepare to beat salt,
It's
man.
still like a fresh.
Wow, we are talking.
Like so a cabbage.
But I know man cook without salt, man. Nice, man.
No, we know that. Alright. Every time me I cook with us, I tell man when I cook chicken, I use powder season. The man them say you're hard.
With less salt.
But still in the
With
Because the man say yo,
less salt.
I never usually use like all purpose and them something there, my friend for
What do you
chicken.
Maggie boss?
I just them onion, pepper and scallion and thyme and my garlic. I'm a browning. I'm salt and that's it.
How them style?
What's this time?
First time I eat ackee and cabbage, you drink people.
Ackee and cabbage people.
Cabbage!
Damage, creative.
Damage.
So this is than a creative chef, you know?
Yeah.
So we never eat ackee and cabbage before.
Them say we create greatness.
I eat.
I eat. Still I say we Jamaican and we creative bad, you know. Oh, go on, come man, come man.
Sexiness, man. Auntie,
Come make your hide for the good life.
never
Come,
born in
big
a
up yourself for the
clothes,
good
you know.
life.
Oh, yeah, Musa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, to look one type of way.
No, boy, you know what say, a naturalness with David see me. No, a naturalness with
Have
David
a
see
seat,
me.
She's
man.
right, she's
Have
right.
a seat and speak some proper English. Let them know, say, we have it.
Yeah.
Sit down there at least, man. Get a cheap on the double.
So that's the good life.
Come on, sit down.
So don't give me some of that now?
Yeah, get anything you
Definitely
want.
when you're ready.
Anything you want there for you. Speak proper English and make you know what time it is.
1% proper.
Introduce yourself to the good life. Let them know your name and who you is and where your friend and the
Yes,
good
so you know
life.
it's Amelia. I'm representing for Good Life Kino. And we're out here. I mean,
Yeah.
no fear.
Oh.
Good Life, we represent. Yeah, check it out. It's a good look.
It's a
Ask
good
me.
look. Oh. So where you from? You from Seaview as well?
Yes, I'm from Seaview Gardens.
Where you born and grow?
Yes.
Same. So how much years is that now living in Seaview?
20 odd years.
20 years.
20 years I've been living here. You know, it's a good look. Seaview is nice. As I take it, Seaview is very nice. You know, invite the kids, them have some fun, keep treat for them, cheerleader, dancing, you know, get them involved. We do a lot of things in Seaview Gardens.
Oh, you're a
It's
dancer?
development product.
You're a dancer?
I'm a dancer, I'm a teacher, I'm a gymnastic coach, I'm a singer.
She's a full package.
I'm a package.
Yeah, you got the package.
here.
So where you teach?
I teach art and prep.
All them prep.
Art and Preparatory and Extension High School. I teach grade 4, 5 and 6. And I'm a cheerleading teacher as well for Seaview Gardens. I'm a gymnastic coach for 2 different prep schools. Caesar's Prep and Arden Prep. And I have kids at Jesuit College I teach as well. You know, Seaview is nice. Really good life, you know. Ragamuffin style.
And you now watch no fears.
No, watch your face, a good life. This is what the guests love. This is what the Americans, the Germans, the Russians, this is what they come for. This is what the Italians want. This is we here in Jamaica. Come out, it's a good life. We're having fun. We're having vibe. We're having vibe every day. Everything is nice and high.
Alright, yeah,
This is what we
Russia.
do every day. Yes.
Natural
It's
life.
a good life. It's natural.
So how long now you teach?
I've been teaching since I was like 14, 15.
Yeah.
Since I was in high school.
So that means that you dance from a long time then.
Been dancing from grade 2.
Yeah.
Grade 2. I was Seaview Garden Primary School and start off there with cheerleading and then dancing. I dance with Dora Ensemble. I dance on the resorts, play steel band. So I'm a professional musician as well. Certified musician. Perform different places. Sometimes we're in like St. Martin, all the Caribbean countries I can think of to go to represent, bring on back the plaque, of course.
Yeah.
#1 steel band in the world, positive vibration, big up on yourself, Clive, and the whole team, strong same way.
Wow. So how inspire you to do all of these things?
I guess it runs in my family.
Oh, so your family do it as well?
Yes.
Who, your mom, your dad?
My uncle, my sisters, my brothers on my daddy's side, everybody's music, dancing, runs straight down in the bloodline. So dancing come from there and you just build on it.
Yeah.
Also a hairstylist and a makeup.
Well, you have more than the package. Nah, lie.
And the makeup, I'm certified hairstylist, certified in singing, certified in dancing.
You have to get the breakthrough, man. You have too much money. You're jack of all trades, but you're most master, man.
Do it all.
So you're a big singer a long time, man.
Yes, I've been singing from I was 19, 20.
Yeah.
I really started doing music. Started dancing with the steel band, Silverbird Steel Orchestra. And I started learning the music, blues scale, arpeggios, notes, keys, scale itself. Then they just take off. And I got certified, perform at World Championships, performing arts in Los Angeles, LA. And it just started growing from there. And then I always can dance. I never have to learn dancing. It's just something that comes natural.
Well, if you don't mind, how old are you?
I'm 28.
28?
Yes.
You have a lot in the package too, I'm not lie. So you represent for somebody or you represent for yourself in the teaching?
No, I do my own thing.
Your own thing?
Because you see, here in Seaview, guys, a lot of people don't know that I'm certified in what I do. They think it's just a talent, because inner city people, jungle, Waterhouse, Seaview Gardens. If you go into the community, you find a lot of dancers. Like, you don't know where the people get the talent. The children, them just talented naturally. And people think that's where it comes from. But it's actually, it's something that builds from within. It's not go book and paper and pen and stuff. It's in there, it's seasoned in your blood. Just like the Americans. They're good with motivating people and cooking and doing a bunch of stuff, while the Jamaicans, they are talented people, running, dancing, singing, all of that. It's in the Caribbean, it's in the soil. This is us, this is we Jamaicans. It's something that we have naturally.
Greatness in your blood, man.
It's in your blood. So of course you don't do the wrong thing and just sit down on your talent. You go and get certified. It's always good to go back to school, get certified. Whatever you love, whatever is your passion is to plant stuff. Every time you come out and you see a little grass, you get up water bucket and you throw on it. You never know that's actually a talent. You can go and get certified and you're a professional gardener. You make money somewhere else in the world. Always go back to school, do the right thing, invest in your talent, because sometimes book and pen don't work. Honestly, you can go to school for years and you have a lot of subjects, have a lot of degrees, and you still don't make it. You need a grown talent most of the time. Not all the times, because subject is good, education is very important. But most of the times, for us Caribbean people, it comes down to your talent, what you love. What you love bringing
your heart desire.
What your heart desire, because sometimes you go work and you're getting some type of treatment from the boss and the pay don't make no sense and the environment don't make no sense, but because you love what you do, it gives you a push to get up 5 o'clock in the morning, go all the way out there to get a bus, go to the same job. We're not really paying you, but you love what you do. You understand? And something really will come from it, because look at me now.
Can you really love what you do?
I love what I do. I love it.
So you got any kids?
I got a son. I have one son.
One?
Yes.
Yeah. How old is he?
He's 2-year-old. I have a 2-year-old son that is very prompt. He's very prompt about dancing. If you play a song, he dance on the beat, literally. And I don't know where I can't say I don't know where it come from, but if you play a slow music, he's on the beat. Literally. If you play it fast, in speed and him not dropping off the rhythm either. This child on the beat and it don't drop like
generation and the generation with that pass on for me.
It's like
the blood.
So this is Jamaicans.
Yeah, the blood. So what are some of the struggles you've been through to reach this far?
A lot of struggles. From high school, I went to 2 high schools. I went to Cloncarty, I went to Dunwoon Park Technical High School, and then I left and I went to Cloncarty to finish my studies. High school kids, and when you're in year 7, which is the first year, you just want to have fun and enjoy the bigger kids, and you see other people and you're around them and everything, and so education not even important no more, so you start doing a lot of stuff and rebelling and all of that. And then change over after you left, you come out of the environment. I went to Clark and I was going to high school. I was working, so I worked to send myself to high school, either to pay my school fee or buy my uniforms and stuff like that. When I left high school, I got my first job. I was hopping back and forth, resort, this and that, travel steel band. I have to roll the big steel drums and trying to tiny little. You know, but I have to do it, and it was hard. Sometimes I was sleeping on the floor in hotel, you know. But I know what I wanted. I always have a game plan, you know. I've been writing resolutions from 2013, if I can remember. I've been writing down resolutions. I want this, I want that, I want this, and I work towards it. When I left work, sometimes in the evening from the hotel, and I work as an entertainment coordinator. So majority of the times, you finish working at 12, 1 o'clock. Then when I finish working, now I'm a promotion dancer, so I have to go to a certain spot. To hype it up on the shortest shot, sexiest this and that. It was hard. Sometimes I go home, I don't have strength to take off my clothes. I fall right asleep on the bed, in my shoes, uniform, everything. And it was really hard. I miss my family. I want to come to Kingston. I want to enjoy the life. And I'm way in Westmoreland working. I'm all over. It was really hard. And then things start happening, you know. The sacrifice, the sweat when they fall to the floor. Then here comes the tree from it. You know, it's like you're growing a tree. And so I start owning my own bar. You know, I start writing my music, I start going to the studio, I start doing all of the things, you know, that I wanted to do. And from there, it was just kicking off, but it was hard. And when it gets harder, that's when I never stop. Because the harder it gets, that means the better it's going to be.
So you have a located spot for yourself, a dance studio?
No, not as yet, because I break now to the teaching. Because society is changing and the younger generation will follow us. They're developing a different mindset. So you have to change it. Instead of saying you're giving up on them because your sister doesn't know more nothing and she just want man and she just want, you have to understand the changes and change with them too. So once upon a time I used to come and put on dancing, I used to do this and that for them. Now I changed, I rewrote. I started having classes with them, get them involved in book work again, because the ground foundation is book work. Never leave out book work no matter what you do. So I just, you know, rewrote a little bit and start working on that aspect. So that's why I kind of sidetrack, stop with enough dancing and start focusing on school and kids and all of that. So it's not really letting go of anything, it's just for the time.
So you have an aim, so you definitely, I don't even know you're going to try and organize
one of my biggest aim is to own my own dance studio.
And it will happen because, boy, your determination where you really have and you put in and those time.
Everything I'm determined for, majority of them I already have. So I know that if I'm determined, if I don't let go at any point, I'm always pressing, I will get it because I've seen it. So it's not hard to manipulate.
So people that normally get to reach to you if they want to get you to come teach them for kids dancing.
Got it, you can inbox Kino for my information for any other details you want. You can go on Kino page, inbox him and ask him any question about Amelia, he'll give you my information. And you can reach out to me because I have kids I teach everywhere. I have kids from different generations, from different places like Seaview Gardens, and I have kids in Belvedere Heights. I have kids from Angels, that's all the way in Spanish Town. I have kids in Montego Bay. I have a group of kids in Cayman Islands that I teach dancing and cheerleading. So I'm everywhere, I spread my wings everywhere. I don't have a team working with me, but you know, every time I visit, every time I go, I spread my wings and I still keep in contact with them and I leave people in charge and I, you know, I move along, trying to spread as far as I can because it's international. Kids everywhere are talented. They want everybody on the same page. You're not doing it for only your black people. I want the white people get involved. I have kids in Melbourne, Florida. Viera High School. I have a couple of girls that I teach dancing from Viera High School as well. So I'm spreading it across the world.
I'm inspired, man, I lie. You know, and you still try, you're a single mom and you're still not giving up. So I really like that, you know. So at least you still got there to inspire your son for know say your mom been trying for years. You never give up. Big up yourself, man, had a good life.
No problem, big up to good life as well.
You know what they want to highlight you more up and see you here.
Which is right.
Yeah.
One more message for all the kids out there and for all the people that feel like give up sometimes. don't make no sense giving up on it. When it gets harder, that's when it's gonna happen bigger. Don't waste your time with thoughts of giving up. It's all in your mind. No, let it go, let it go. I'm here to remind you that everything's possible.
Bop, yo. Shout out the package. Hey, yo, yeah, kick up, man. We never know, say you're bad, man. Come on, you have to give me one more on the good line. Yeah, me never know, because what you said, I never want to put her up on the spot, but she put me on the spot singing now, because she make me feel like, so what you that about? Yeah, talent over eyes.
Never give up. I do what you have to do.
I'm gonna fix it up.
Yes, man.
A talented thing, you know that.
It's talented name in the youth, isn't it?
I promise him 5 minutes and I'm going to give him that. I'm going to ask him if he can
Yeah.
So the girl him say I'm going to move down and I'm stop run up on them.
Yeah, isn't it? So the girl them say I move, now Joe.
Please again, same way to the shop. No, is it? Come out here, go shop.
Yeah. Alright then, cover it now, let me see you cover it.
So we know how I go on. I finishing, you know. So you know we did the finishing touch. You go so. Different thing of food.
Yes, yes, you ready?
Delicious.
Delicious. Ready?
Yeah, one man spend too much time pampered.
That's right.
Mash up that. Brawling. Like how we are catch crab over walling. Done with the badness. Done with the walling. Flop attempted though.
So we are big up at Arden. No,
I'm a boss man. What man am I doing? Give me a cake.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.